Ever since I started this little craft channel, I've been searching and wondering, where are all the other snarky, weird craft channels? I have found tons of nice channels, of course, with good information and pleasant personalities. Yeah, that's nice. But where exactly are the swear words? And where's the wieners and the rainbows? Where's the snark and the humor and the impropriety? Hey, I am seriously looking for my people here, okay? It's been less than a year, but I'm not finding like anything. It's a little confusing to me, but also weirdly exciting, because this could mean that my channel is the one you have been looking for, my friend. I'm starting to believe that my YouTube channel really is the beautiful unicorn that I think it is.
Something fun and magical is happening here. I can really feel it starting to gain momentum, at least for me. So anyway, here's a few things that I'm doing here so far. But I like swearing, and it's a big part of my personality, so welcome home, or suck it, whichever the case may be. I just posted an amazing embroidery project, if I say so myself, along those lines. I show you how to design your own embroidery pattern, basically, but also swearing, self-care, body image, affirmations, meditations, pride stuff. It's my birthday video, so I share a lot of myself there, and I'm kind of proud of it, so maybe go check it out. Oh, and a little Easter egg for you. I've been inserting, so to speak, subtle dick jokes here and there.
I feel a little bit dirty every time I refer to the tip, but that's probably just me. Or maybe you go all the way and add a brim for the full Monty. Freehand. I didn't draw anything onto the fabric, just freeballing, as they say. I'm pretty sure that's what they say anyway.
And it would make my day if you found one and left a comment about it. Waiting. See, I have dreams, I have ambitions. Or I have completely unique or weird projects for you. I guarantee I will show you things here that you will not find anywhere else. That's how I roll. I see no use in doing the same thing that everybody else is doing. Let's just say that I am the world's foremost published beer can hat designer. You didn't know that was a thing, but here I am. They're now the cornerstone of my new channel, and I will never run out of beer can stuff to make, ever, ever, ever. I also love other crochet stuff, like I have some great crochet jewelry tutorials on my channel right now, this epic granny square poncho video where I share things from my favorite 70s granny square book, which I love the 70s crafts and crochet. There will be crochet garden art this summer. See the promo on my channel. I will always come up with new crochet stuff. But wait, did you see this? It's cute or what? Full tutorial on my channel. Something else I'm going to get to probably in the spring when I need a new outfit is upcycled clothing sewing. Yay! I tend to hoard my old clothes for some reason. I don't know if you have that problem, but recently I started making new weird outfits with them, and I'm just having a lot of fun with it. I've come up with some good techniques, I think, so I'm eager to share those. It's a lot about deciding what shapes are most flattering and figuring out a few ways to do that with a pile of tank tops and yoga pants in my case. A lot of empire, a lot of fit and flare. This is my winter version. It's a lot cuter in the summer with the little pantaloon things I've been making, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I look at my craft room and I think, yeah, you know what? I don't need more crap. I have plenty of crap. I think I can figure out some things. My own crap. Another thing I'm doing is mannequin art. That's right. I know most people think this is too weird, but trust me, we are gonna have so much fun. I have collected mannequins for years. I think of them like figure sculptures, not fake people, which I understand why people would think that was creepy. I like to paint them and put them in the garden and stuff. So my big project this summer is making mannequins for each direction of our property to represent the 4 elements. Are you ready for this? Because each one is going to be painted on the body and then get a crocheted wig. So like the tree one in the north, we painted like a tree, but then with a leafy wig, dude. Awesome. I cannot wait for that. I've been planning it for a while. I'm super excited. And I know a shit ton of art and craft stuff. Yeah, it's embarrassing almost. Like, let's just say I spent my entire life learning as many arts and crafts as I could, like pretty much all of them. Yet I'm not an overachiever by any means. So there is that. I like to keep things simple. I have a short attention span. So my projects are always original and unique, but also pretty easy to do. YouTube's so full of excellent channels that show you the basics of crochet and other things. Every craft, really. I don't think I need to do it too. I don't think I do. And it's boring for me. No yarn over hook. What I will show you very often is how to create your own designs. I'll definitely show you how to take those basic skills a step or two further, while yes, keeping things as simple as possible. I have some life shit to share here too. Like, I can't help it. I guess I have stuff to say.
I feel like it's a bonus that making rainbow stuff might piss somebody off. Like, who the hell gets mad at rainbows?
I'm always working to figure things out, why people do what they do.
I tell you not to be a perfectionist because I, at heart, am a perfectionist and I fight it every day.
How can I live a better life for myself?
Ah, those cozy times of day drinking and crochet binges. Perfection.
Mostly, how can I manage my chronic depression while still doing all the cool shit I want to do in life? So I have a lot of advice about that. Oh, as we know, creating is healing. I definitely know that. It's deep, and I honestly didn't even know I needed to share this stuff, but here I am. And it could do some good for someone. I don't know. Who knows? Just being a little sweet to myself, you know? It's nice. It's a good thing to do. Should do more of it. Obviously you can see I have a rock solid case here. I didn't even mention the kitties. Where are the kitties? Hey, Harry. Well, meow on you. What? Meow. Can you stop licking yourself in behind me? Hey, just sit there and look cute. Don't lick your butt. In fact, if you go there and you say, holy crap, this is the best channel I've ever seen. I can't believe this. Please share it with someone who might agree with you, or maybe even a whole group. Like one of those cool Facebook groups, it'd be amazing. Come join my clubhouse and be part of the weirdness because there's so much more to do. I keep saying this is my clubhouse because that's really how I see it. I'm sending this weirdo beacon out to you. It's time to get this weird party started, baby. It's only gonna get more fun and weird from here. I can promise you that. And I will see you in the next one. No matter what your gender or identity, you are all my bitches. And I mean that from the bottom of my mermaid heart. I really do. Push the button.